Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable mouse acceleration in Windows 10 device. So mouse acceleration is, if you stop the mouse acceleration in your Windows 10, it's good for gaming. So I'm going to show you how to stop the mouse acceleration. You just have to right click on the start menu, then go to setting options. Click on setting options. It's a very simple tutorial. Just look at what I'm doing here. Just then when setting option is on, you have to go to devices here. So Bluetooth printers mouse here, devices, right click on it. Then in the left side menu you can see there's an option called mouse. So right click on it. Now in the right side you can see there's an option called additional mouse option. So you just have to click on it, additional mouse option. Then you can see there's a menu here. You can upside there's a menu here. You just have to click on pointer options. So right click on pointer options. Now to stop the mouse acceleration, you can see there's a tick mark here, enhance pointer precision. So you just have to uncheck the tick mark here and click apply here and OK. So that's it. That should have disable your mouse acceleration in Windows 10 device. So you can close out from the settings here. And that's it. This is a very pretty simple straightforward tutorial for you. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.